Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I wanted to introduce you to 9156 West Bend Street in Northwest Boise. Beautiful two-story house, 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, freshly painted. Nice wide driveway. Notice that the concrete goes all the way out to the edges of the garage. Beautiful neutral colors, curbing, mature trees. I can't emphasize enough the amazing location of this home. It's close to shopping, wonderful restaurants, downtown Eagle, not far from downtown Boise, near the Optimist fields, hiking trails, the Eagle Water Park, bike paths, etc. And in the community park is right there. So short walk right to the community park. Notice the rain chains over here, just a nice aesthetically pleasing way to bring the rain off of the roof. Rain gutters, cool lamps out front. Again, the beautiful mature landscaping. Covered front patio. And let's go inside and take a look. Okay, as we enter the house, you'll notice the nice laminate flooring as we come in. The cathedral ceilings at the front entry just give that nice grand feeling in here. Two-tone paint. And off of the front, we have the office / 5th bedroom. Pretty spacious, full wood wrap windows, crown molding, 9-foot ceilings and a ceiling fan, 2.5-inch faux blinds. Closet over here, and the stairs off to the side, which is nice. Heading to the upstairs, obviously. Flat panel electrical. We have our guest bathroom over here. Sorry, there's a cat in the carrier here. We have the large family room for any size furniture, and the great part about this is you're not having to walk through it to get to the dining or kitchen area. Fireplace inset with built-ins over here. Notice the lighting over there, both there and above the fireplace. Built-in speakers and lots of windows. And one of my favorite features about this house is there's no rear neighbors, mountain views. Meow. And here's the dining area. Now notice that you could have any size table here. You could have a huge gathering and not run out of space. You could actually probably put 2 tables side by side if you're having a big Thanksgiving meal or something like that. You have the nest type system here. The closet and little mudroom type area off of the garage. Also has the Sun Valley texturing in the house, which is that style, kind of that flat finish. Granite tile on all the countertops, full tile backsplash, and just a huge kind of U-shaped kitchen, which gives you lots of cabinet space. You have the mini fridge here, stainless steel gas range, Baltic brown granite island. Notice all the poles are on the cabinets here. Frigidaire gas range. And nice deep stainless steel sink. And again, and the mountain views off the back here. And again, no rear neighbors. It's not uncommon for them to have deer, wild turkeys, quail. Right now there's a bunch of birds up there flying in. We have the drop pendant lighting here in the kitchen. And a nice deep corner pantry as well. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. But nice, spacious, deep pantry. And again, we have a nice light fixture here. Since we're down here, let's go ahead and go outside and take a look. We've got a little fire going out here right now. New patio. This was installed last year. Notice how quiet it is. I like it when they do things properly like this by putting in a great guard around the foundation vent. There's a 220 outlet over here on the wall, and that goes out to over here, the hot tub pad. Mature trees. Some garden area over here in the back with irrigation water here. It goes out to it. Another little fire pit area over here. And kind of nice that there's a door off of the garage. In Idaho, we call it a man door. And it's fenced off. So if you wanted to have your dogs only stay in that, come out the garage and stay in that area, you can. The wrought iron gives it the nice open feel back here. And that space between here and below is kind of an easement area. So you're not gonna have a bunch of people walking through there or anything. Occasionally a ditch rider might come through. But again, views of Bogus Basin over there and the foothills. There's that beautiful paint job. Again, lots of windows in this house. Now we'll head back inside. Quick look at the garage. They're in the process of moving, so excuse any mess, but I wanted to point out a couple things. This does have a skim coat for the texturing, which is nice, instead of just being the drywall. But you have the water filtration system, brand new, newer water heater, newer furnace. I believe it has a humidifier on there, but verify that. Nice tall ceiling, so you have room to hang your bikes if you want to. Nice and wide, nice and deep. And then there's also additional storage space up here in the ceiling. Little attic access. And nice tall garage doors as well. I believe those are the 8-foot doors. And both openers are installed. Okay, so we'll leave the family room area or the downstairs and head upstairs now. Notice the nice trim on the staircase. Shouldn't be too hard to move furniture up here. It's nice and open. And we have the laundry room here with cabinets. And then we head into the master bedroom that is very spacious. Master bedroom is 13 by 16, has the laminate flooring, crown molding and a tray ceiling fan. And we head into the bathroom. Nice transition with the oversized tile in here. I think those are 18-inch tiles, 20-inch. Nice deep soaker tub. Closet here with built-ins, walk-in. You have the rain glass here. I'm gonna try to stay out of the picture here. You have the raised vanity with his and her sinks. Full wood wrapped mirror. I'm in the photo, darn it. Private commode with a window. Again, full wood wrapped. And a very nice walk-in shower with a rain head here. Kind of your river rock flooring in here, full tile with accents and 2 granite shelves added. Detachable sprayer and another closet here. Okay, heading out of the master now. Notice there's also an outlet on the wall if you wanted to hang a TV. A little landing area. You could put a little desk here if you wanted to. So the master is separate and private from the other bedrooms. Kind of a chair rail across this room with some accent colors. Ceiling fan installed. Oh, double doors to the closet here. Next bedroom has the wainscoting accented on this wall with a shelf. ceiling fan again. Great views from up here. And again, the double door closet. Those are nice and solid for kids, especially. The other kind tend to come off the rails. Another bedroom here. Some more accent trim, ceiling fan, 2.5-inch faux blinds, and again, nice solid closet. Some more storage here. And full floor to ceiling tiled shower in here. Toilet, newer vanity. And I think that concludes the tour. Again, Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. You can see the 3D interactive tour on rockidaho.com.